What's up, traders? Let's have a quick look at GBPCHF from the weekly time frame. So from the weekly time frame, we can see that the market has rejected this trend line around this area over here. Very good rejection on the weekly time frame, and we can expect this market to basically move to the downside, further to the downside. In order for us to get a good entry on this, we will need to go down on the daily time frame. So just to let you know what the market is basically doing here is basically we have a nice impulse to the downside over here, and followed by this correction phase, and now we are expecting the market to basically push further to the downside. Now what we are looking at on the weekly and the daily time frame is a good target on this pair. Why do I choose my target around this area over here, on this support area over here and resistance area? Because if you have a look left and you bring your box right all the way across, you can see basically that we've had a very strong area of support and resistance in this area before and in the past. So we have good support here, we have good support here, we have a good resistance around this area, and we can expect the pair to move back down to retest this support area over here. Now before we can take this pair to the downside, let's go down on the weekly time frame and have a look what kind of price action we're getting. So on the daily time frame, you can see basically what has happened is this pair has rejected this trend line very nicely, and we can expect the pair to move to the downside, further to the downside. So what we are waiting for on the daily time frame, we are waiting for a break of structure, and we are waiting for the market environment to change from a bullish market to a bearish market. What I mean by bullish market to bearish market, you can basically see that the market always creating higher highs, all the time creating higher highs and also creating higher lows, which means the market is not ready yet for a push to the downside. So what we need to see on this pair, on the daily close or tomorrow close, we need to see this pair basically the candle close below this support area over here, and then we can basically be looking around this area in this support area that was then support, now turned resistance. Then we can get a further push to the downside. Now what we are looking with students is basically waiting for a good possibility that the pair could break through from here. Once broken through that support area, we will be looking on the 4-hour time frame in this area to get the pair to the downside to my given target. If you'd like, you can have a look on the 4-hour time frame. If we have a break of structure and also the market starts to create lower highs and lower lows, then you would be able to get into this pair with a good risk to reward. Now when you are entering this pair, you have a very good confidence as well to put your SL, because you have a very good a very nice high over here that you could put your SL, and also if you wanted to make a good take profit point for yourself, or first take profit point, you could put it at this area over here. Why do I choose this area over here? Because we have very good support around this area, so we can expect the market to basically hit this area and then make a retracement and then continue to further to the downside to my given target. So basically this is what we are looking for on this pair. Hope you guys would follow this, and hope that you enjoyed this, and if it did benefit you, or if it did educate you in any way, please let me know in the comments area below and let us know what you guys think about this. This is a good risk to reward trade, and we will be looking on the 4-hour time frame for a good entry in this area. Now if you have any questions or if you have any concerns about this trade, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to give me a like, and also follow my TradingView profile. We have daily updates on different pairs each day. So I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good week. Thank you.